tie on there. Look at you. The white interior is crazy. Yeah.
It's a nice shade.
The blue is so nice, man.
Yeah.
It looks better in person than the picture.
Yeah, it does. Yeah. It's, I thought the wheels were black, but they're jelly wheels.
Lexus one thing is great.
I like the black trim.
Yeah.
Breaks up the blue.
Black shows, even mirrors, just the way they're connected to the mirror. Oh yeah, I did notice that it's black on top. I didn't know that they're
I like it because it would get dirty down here if it was all white.
Yeah. It's black and white.
even
So
back
like,
seats.
at least like when you're cleaning, you just have to focus on the spot that matters.
Oh, nice.
Crazy. And it has, so if you want more engine noise,
Oh, no
you
way.
can adjust it so that it
pipes
sounds
in.
louder inside
Yeah.
the car. Yeah. Crazy.
Pipes it inside.
Exactly.
That's pretty crazy. So how do you feel about it?
I'm excited. Super
New
excited.
toy?
It's something that I want to use as a daily.
Yeah.
The Maserati, it's too souped up to drive every day.
Yeah.
Sounds even better. Whole car shakes when you rev it.
Yeah. What's under the hood?
5-liter V8.
That's reason to shake. Pop the hood.
Yeah, it's got that Bose.
That's the other thing I didn't notice.
And it's long too.
Yeah, because the hood was up the last time. When we were looking at it, we're like,
Yeah.
It has a bigger hood, and the front is extended a little bit. And it has active dampers, so
Oh, okay.
it makes it stiffer if you put it in Sport Plus.
Yeah.
It's nice. It's nice.
I really like the color. You're right,
Yeah.
online it does look good.
Say again?
I said shout out to the collection for getting me this bad boy. That's the guy right there. If you need a performance car, talk to him.
It's an eye catcher for the
Can I do a burnout? Yeah, but it's your show.
It did that effortlessly.
You've got more room over here. You were close on the driver's side for that mirror. You had a lot of room on the passenger side. It's going to take a little bit to adjust.
But you see what I mean? Like, it already looks like it has a kit.
Yeah, you're right. Even like, what do you call it?
It looks like
Side skirt.
yeah, it looks like it has a kit right
mudguard extensions?
Yeah.
So it looks like it has to.
Yeah.
Just gonna lower it, windows, and put the rims. That's it.
Call it a day, yeah.
And wrap the roof. That's it.
Black?
Black. Yeah. Black. That's it.
It's good for stock.
And then if you wanted to change color, you can switch this.
Well, that's race mode. Those are the different modes.
Sport Plus. Sport Plus. So that's all the beams. And then if you could even put it, it even has an eco mode, which I'm happy about.
But what happens when you? How do you slide it over?
This button right here, look.
Oh, and it just gives different options that you can do.
And then you can push it. It goes down.
Sick.
When you told me it slide, I thought it was a digital. I didn't think it was.
No,
actually
I was
motorized.
saying it. Yeah, I'm like, yo, it's sick. It slides over. That's cool.
Yeah, I didn't think it was motorized. It's so smooth. You barely tell the engine's even on, even though it's a V8. Sport Plus.
Oh, it's in Sports Plus.
I don't think I'll only ever drive in Sport Plus. What's this lady doing? Sounds good.
This thing's quick.
Feel it. See the sound? If I turn it down now. Oh, maybe that's the louder one. I don't know. Let's try the paddle shifters.
Is it fast?
Yeah, pretty quick.
Oh!
See the front end go up?
Yeah.
And that's paddle shifters. And then you push this button here. I don't know what it's doing. Oh, there you go.
So you can look at it in more detail.
Yeah.
Checking surroundings before you like move out or something
See,
like that.
see, it's like a video game.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah, that is actually really neat. Yeah.
Hold on, I'm trying to get
Yeah.
to the. Oh wait, maybe I could do it like this. Yeah, see.
Oh wow. So on some Tesla stuff here. You got a 3D model of your car in the color that
Yeah,
it came to you.
and I think the road is 3D modeled as well. You see, it's a graphic.
Yeah.
So it's taking all the images and stitching them together
Yeah.
from all the cameras outside. That's crazy.
Before I even got the car, I downloaded it, read the whole thing.
Okay, well, that's kind of different because you're anticipating getting it, so you're excited, so you're just trying to get your hands on everything possible. But
You can tell when like the lifters open up, man.
Yeah. Feel it.